try ko lang siyang kantahin kung kaya ko po. Maraming salamat. I remember the days when you here with me, those laughter and tears we shared for years. Memories that we had for so long, me and you. Now you are gone away, you left me all alone. Go on, do what you want, but please don't leave me. You break my heart. Hey, what should I do? Babe, I'm missing you. Please don't disappear. These are the words that you should hear. Time and time again, I wish that you were here. I don't wanna lose you, girl. I need you back to me. I don't wanna lose you, baby. Can't you see? Oh, I need you. You've been a part of me. I wish someday you'll be back home, 'cause I really miss you, darling. Please come home. Pasensya na kayo sa background ko. Gan talaga. I wish someday you'll be back home, 'cause I really miss you, darling. Please come home. Thank you very much for watching. Ayan. Bye. God bless. Thank you.